Hello, welcome to Adventures in Applesoft Anachronisms, episode number 2. This is a bit of a surprise as I didn't realize it was going to be a series. Anyway, just as in XKCD comic number 606, I play games way after they're relevant anymore. This time it's 2007's game Portal that I finally finished playing. There's no Portal 3 yet though, but that's why I have a time machine. 2027 should be far enough in the future, I hope. So let's enter that. And let's go. That was weird. I need to get that fixed. I was back in alternate 1987 again, but I did pick up this sweet copy of Portal for the Apple II, oddly made by Aperture Laboratories, which might be real in that particular parallel universe. Not sure what's up with that. Anyway, let's go put it in the old good old Apple IIe and see what happens. Nice ASCII art there. Let's try to get some Portal action going here. And let's see. Believe it or not, getting those colors right is the hardest part of Apple II high-res graphic stuff. It's just insane if you've never had to deal with it. Oops. Not good. Let's try again. Yes. Let's not mess with the turret gun, I guess, or the companion cube. Let's see. Blue portal, orange portal, and yeah, much better. Let's see what the scheme is here. Let's see. I guess let's try to get that rockety thing. And let's target this central thing over here. And let's see if that works. Oh, nice. Okay, I guess we want to incinerate that thing. Let's see. Oops. That's not what I meant to do. This is a little too much fun. Hey, that shouldn't still be possible. Yay. Okay, over here by the neurotoxin tube. That looks like something Super Mario might come out of. Let's incinerate this guy. Wrong one. No. There we go. Whoa. Let's use momentum to go over this one. Come on, shell. Whoa, alternate Mel. Oops.